According to our Theta Cost Expectation 2023, the token is supposed to have a greatest cost of $1.80 with a base cost of 70 cents. Theta organization is supposed to arrive at the most extreme value level of $3.20 as per our Theta Coin Cost Expectation 2025. Based on our Theta Cost Expectation 2030, the normal cost of Theta organization may be around $17 toward the finish of 2030. Right now, the Theta coin cost is exchanging around 86 cents throughout the past week. Notwithstanding the negative feeling, Theta Crypto has figured out how to hold its cost level above 80 cents starting from the start of 2023. This mirrors the likelihood that the Theta coin cost might go up and could raise a ruckus around town mark by 2025. In the event that you are searching for a Theta figure, our top-to-bottom examination plans to respond to your inquiries like, what is Theta organization? Is Theta a wise venture? What is the eventual fate of Theta? Before we start with itemized Theta cost forecast, how about we jump into the coin's outline? What is Theta organization? Theta organization is a cutting-edge blockchain that is centered around media and diversion. It empowers existing video and media stages to drive gradual incomes and lessen content conveyance costs. By remunerating end clients for sharing their stockpiling and transmission capacity on any PC, portable, shrewd television, or IoT gadget, Theta upholds Turing-complete savvy contracts and is completely viable with Ethereum, which empowers an extensive variety of intriguing Web3 applications to be based on the organization. Theta organization is a double organization comprising of two integral subsystems, the Theta blockchain and the Theta Edge organization. The Theta blockchain gives installment, award, and savvy contract capacities, while the Theta Edge organization is answerable for the capacity and conveyance of media resources like pictures and recordings. Theta organization is certainly not a decentralized YouTube or jerk. Rather, it is the hidden blockchain and decentralized capacity conveyance framework that controls the up-and-coming age of Web3 video, web-based, and media diversion stages. How does the Theta arrange work? Theta is a decentralized video real-time network controlled by three sorts of hubs: venture validator hubs, gatekeeper hubs, and edge hubs. Undertaking validator hubs process exchanges, gatekeeper hubs check exchange blocks, and edge hubs share data transmission and transfer video transfers. Theta additionally permits engineers to fabricate decentralized applications on its blockchain. Theta clients can download the Authority Theta wallet application to hold or stake Theta and tfuel token. Theta likewise has a micropayment framework for video web-based that permits content watchers and makers to send and get Theta. Theta utilizes a changed BFT agreement system that keeps the organization of PCs running Theta organization in a state of harmony. Both Validator and Watchman hubs take part in the agreement system, adding an additional degree of safety to the convention. Validator hubs should stake at least 10 million Theta, while Watchman hubs need to stake 100,000 Theta, as it were, casting a ballot not set in stone by how much Theta marked. Theta specialized investigation. The value journey of Theta has been fashioned with huge cost changes. In 2018, it had recently begun its excursion with a cost of around 20 cents, and from that point forward, there has been no thinking back till 2020. Theta coin cost really somersaulted in the year 2021, changing the pattern from the outset to the furthest limit of the year. Theta has had a memorable excursion till mid-2021. Subsequent to hitting an unequaled high of $15.90 in April 2021, Theta organization crypto confronted a lofty fall, and it kept on exchanging under colossal negative tension until April 2022. Afterward, from the last May, the Theta token cost has enlisted consolidative value development to date. In any case, starting from the start of 2023, it has denoted a moderate recuperation and figured out how to exchange above 70 cents. The ongoing cost of the Theta token is around 87 cents. All said and done, Theta's pattern has been very forceful, prompting a promising way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for coalitions. Theta Value Forecast 2023 to 2030. At the hour of composing this Theta cost expectation, the ongoing cost of Theta is 87 cents, and information shows that the resource cost could recuperate in the forthcoming days. The 24-hour exchanging volume has been $6,865,137 with a market cap of $873,503,088 and a flowing stockpile of 1 billion Theta. Our crypto figure thinks about a few factors, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparative coins. We foresee the fate of the Theta coin in a comparable philosophy. We should investigate Theta cost expectation for the impending years. Theta coin value expectation 2023. As per our ongoing Theta cost forecast 2023, the Theta coin cost is anticipated to go up and arrive at the greatest value level of $1.85. The typical cost of Theta organization may be around $1.20, while the base value level may be around 70 cents during 2023. Theta Crypto Value Expectation 2024. In view of our Theta cost expectation for 2024, it is guessed that the Theta cost can hit a limit of $2.30 and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The most reduced Theta organization cost will be around $1.80, and the typical Theta organization cost will exchange around $2. Theta Value Expectation 2025 to 2025 could stamp the benchmark year at the cost of the Theta coin. It is anticipated to outperform a typical cost of $3.10 definitely. Theta Token Value Expectation 2026. There is plausible that Theta organization will rise dramatically in 2026. Theta coin cost is supposed to cross a normal cost of $4. The most extreme and least value levels may be around $4.70 and $3.80. Separately, according to the Theta Cost Expectation 2026, Theta Forecast 2027 financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2027, as the reception of Theta will develop dramatically. The most extreme value level of Theta organization may handily hit $5.80 toward the finish of 2027 according to our Theta cost forecast. On the drawback, it might tumble to the least value level of around $4.90. Theta Value Expectation 2028 keeping up pair with a similar bullish pattern. There are expectations that Theta is ready for a rise in 2028. The Theta coin could contact the greatest cost degree of $6.40 with a typical cost of $6 in view of our Theta cost expectation for 2028. The base cost may be around $5.60 during the year. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2029 out of 2029. The normal Theta cost might raise a ruckus around town mark according to our Theta cost estimate. Financial backers might acquire extraordinary benefits assuming they contribute with impeccable timing. The greatest and least value levels may be around $6.90 and $6.30. Theta Value Forecast 2030. Theta organization cost is anticipated to reach somewhat around its past all-time high by 2030, with a typical exchanging cost of $7.30. Theta organization's base worth could come to $6.70. In light of our Theta coin cost expectation for 2030, we anticipate that the greatest cost should be around $8. In light of our Theta cost conjecture, a drawn-out remedy is normal. The cost expectation for long-term end is 53 cents. Your ongoing speculation might be debased. Consequently, Theta can be a terrible, high-risk venture choice. As per our profound specialized examination and Theta cost expectation, in 2023, the cost of Theta organization is estimated to be at around a base worth of $1.44. Is Theta a wise venture? A reasonable level of effort is consistently prudent, being a critical component here. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any overstated assumptions required on the off chance that you trade mindfully, facing a calculative challenge. What amount will Theta be worth in 2025? As indicated by the Theta coin cost expectation 2025, the normal cost of Theta organization could cross the $3 mark. It could raise a ruckus around town level of $3.